Hello guys, it's me your host here, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can run any Linux distribution in your PC without actually installing it. Isn't that cool? So follow my steps carefully and please don't skip any part of the video. At first, go through any browser. So, right now I'll go through Microsoft Edge. Then in the search bar write ONWRKS and write the name of Linux distribution of which you want to run. Right now, I would write Kali Linux. You can do as per your choice. And go through the first website. Then scroll down and you can see Run Online option. Just touch there. And again, you can see Start option. Again, touch there. Then you should wait for more 20 seconds. Until that, the browser prepares an environment to run your Linux distribution. Until 20 seconds, please don't minimize the browser or don't run it in background. Else, it might not work. Then after 20 seconds, you can see such message. Then, click on Enter button. Then again the browser would take more 25 seconds to prepare an environment to run a Linux distribution. So, wait until that. Though, it don't takes 25 seconds and the work is done in almost 7 to 14 seconds. And however, it depends upon your network quality as well. Then after waiting for 25 seconds you would see such message and congratulations, you can run Linux distribution in your browser without actually importing it from VMbox or from anywhere else. Yeah, you have the powerful Linux environment in your browser. Here, you can do literally everything else that you usually do while running Linux by importing from VMbox or from anywhere else. Taking an instance, I will clone Camfish here from its link from GitHub, and I will even create a link from ngrok server just like you do it from other medium. Well, if you don't know about Camfish, it is a camera phishing toolkit inspired from Seichis. From Camfish, we can get camera clicks from victims' mobile's front cam or PC's webcam. We can use this on our Kali Linux. If you already know about Camfish, then you can skip this video now and run any Linux distribution in your browser. It had successfully created a link using ngrok server. This video is everything about that. If you loved this video, please give a big thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. You can subscribe for such latest update. Now, it's me your host signing out. Bye, take care.